Hello, all you gorgeous people. Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and today we're going to do a GLOSSYBOX unboxing. Let's get started. Let's see which side. Oh, let's see if the pull tab works. Alrighty, so let's get it out of the box, and of course it comes with a pretty pink box. I'm gonna stop this and take a picture real quick. Yeah, I've gotta grab a full shoe while I can. So let's see what's in here. I hope this isn't a repeat. Something I already got. This looks familiar. Hello, Glossies, with spring around the corner. Yeah, I'd say this is a repeat. And longer days ahead, it's time to brighten up your beauty routine. When did this come? Oh, it's way over there now. I wonder if this has been sitting here all summer. Okay, well, let's get started. First off, we have golden eye patches. Let's see what it says about them. Put these on after you cleanse your face. Gently place patches on the under eye area for 15 to 20 minutes. Sit back and relax while they work. They say they're supposed to. They're the golden ticket to preventing collagen loss. They increase elasticity and blood flow to the skin, reducing premature aging, and will make you feel like a queen. And these retail for a single treatment is $6. I don't know. I've got a lot of my things this week. This may go in a giveaway. Then we have the ESPA Eucalyptus and Tea Tree Cleansing Hand Spray. That must be on here. They got a different one talking about, but an absolute essential can still be pretty and pleasant to use. This quick drying hand sanitizer is infused with a luxurious blend of pure essential oils with a 60% alcohol content. This effective antibacterial cleanser is perfect when you're on the go. Apply a dime-sized amount and spread thoroughly over both hands. The mini size is $10, so that I'll keep. I still spray the baskets and things when I go in the store. In fact, we went in the grocery store. Bob's the grocery person. So he gets his card under. No. So let's see. We have coddly. That kind of like a coddle. One of my kids, I had a coddle. Serum. Complexion correcting serum. Both effective and natural, this best-selling skin tone evening serum works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks. Kind of late for that, for me. Acne marks and sun pigmentation. Its patented key ingredient is 62 times more effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance. Use morning and evening after cleansing and before moisturizing. Did you know that one of these is sold every 2 minutes around the world? Oh my God. This mini one, the right one, yeah. This is $26. Trying that. Then we have the Ultra Repair. You know, you're all familiar with this first aid beauty thing. And it retails for $5. Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration in Grapefruit. Now you've all seen these a bunch of times. It's going to be in a giveaway. Okay, this is something I'll probably keep. Yeah. It's a cab. Cosmetics lip gloss. Let's take it out and see what color. Oh, it's a light color. Okay, screw it off and try to pull it off. I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I think I already have one of these. I think I have gotten this box last spring. I think I already got it last spring. I signed back up. I think I had quit this and then I signed back up because I had a deal going. Or maybe I just bought an add-on sale. I don't know. Okay, the last item is one of these little guys. The Clean It Zero Zero Cleansing Balm, Pore Clarifying. A sherbet-like balm. You know what? I forgot to turn the air off. Want to see how much difference it makes? Watch. Shoot. You'll have to forgive me. It just felt so good. Okay. This will remove even tough waterproof makeup without stripping or drying out your skin. It's Tri-Peel Acid Blend. That's AHA, BHA, and LHA. AHA, the singing group. Helps remove dead skin cells, clears pores, and gently exfoliates. It retails for $3. I haven't ever tried it, but you know, I've got my stuff I like, so that's going in the giveaway. So that'll do it, guys. Might as well keep it all in the same box. So what you think? You know, keeping a couple of the things. I'm gonna find somewhere to put all this stuff. So, okay, comments below. Share, like, subscribe. And again, I apologize that I forgot the air on. Did you feel cooler? Okay, I love y'all. Bye.